In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sprint backlog in Jira. Whether you're a seasoned project manager or a newcomer to agile methodologies, setting up a sprint backlog is a crucial part of effective project management. We'll walk through this process step by step, so stay tuned. First, you're going to log into Jira and navigate to your Scrum project. If this is your first time, don't worry, it's all laid out pretty simply. Once you're on your Jira dashboard, look for your specific project under Projects. When you found it, click on the project to open it up. Now that you're inside your Scrum project, you'll want to click on Backlog in the top navigation bar. This is where you'll see all the tasks, stories, and bugs that have yet to be completed. It's essentially your to-do list for the project. Next, move to the top of the backlog page and click the Create Sprint button. Doing this generates a new panel on the page. This is your sprint panel. This is where you'll organize all the tasks that need to be completed during this sprint cycle. With your sprint panel ready, it's time to fill it up. To do this, drag and drop issues, which can be stories, tasks, or bugs, from your backlog into the sprint panel. This step is about deciding what's achievable for the upcoming sprint, so choose wisely. If you realize there's something missing, no worries, you can easily create new issues. Simply click Create Issue and enter the name of the new task you want to add. Once you're satisfied with the name, press Enter to save this issue into your backlog. You've got your tasks in your sprint, but not all tasks carry the same priority. Some will be more urgent than others. Arrange these tasks by dragging them up or down within your sprint panel to prioritize them effectively according to their importance. Think of it as creating a hierarchy, so your team knows what needs attention first. Once everything is organized and you're confident with the lineup, it's time to click Start Sprint. When prompted, set your sprint name and choose start and end dates. These are details that help in tracking the progress and keeping everyone in the loop. Finally, with all that set, click Start. This launches the sprint officially and sets your team on a productive path forward. And there you have it, you've successfully created a sprint backlog in Jira. By organizing tasks and setting clear start and end dates, you've taken a significant step towards efficient and effective project management. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to check out our other Jira tutorials.